Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. iCloud Sync active and reminders allowed in notifications so alerts reach you. Once done, open Reminders and create a focused default list for daily tasks. This reduces friction. Next, add a sample reminder with date, time, and a smart list tag. This teaches Siri your habits. Make sure Siri Suggestions is enabled so incoming messages and locations become handy automated reminders. These first steps unlock cross-device syncing and intelligent prompts that you'll expand on next. Now you refine reminders with smart triggers and automation. You should use time-based, location-based, and recurring rules together to avoid missed tasks. For example, set a morning recurring reminder plus a location trigger for errands. Once configured, teach Siri with natural language entries and use voice to add multi-part reminders quickly. Also create shortcuts automations to add templates. For instance, a one-tap meeting checklist that populates multiple reminders. These methods reduce manual entry and ensure reminders fire when they matter most. To finish, organize with tags, smart lists, and colors so you can scan priorities at a glance. This keeps your system sustainable. Once organized, verify iCloud Sync by checking reminders across devices and force refresh if needed by toggling reminders in iCloud settings. Make sure notification settings allow sounds and banners. If reminders still fail, reboot your iPhone, sign out and back into iCloud, and install the latest iOS update. These steps resolve most sync or alert issues. If problems persist, test with a simple reminder to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.